guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a new hack that it's been trending on Reels and also on TikTok. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. As you guys can see, I already did my eyes and my brows. I just, like to play with some makeup. I'm really into a blue turquoise colors for the eyes. And that's the result. Why am I holding my chin? The only products you will need is foundation, concealer, and also a contour palette or a contour stick. I'm gonna use a contour palette because I know that most of us don't use a contour stick. Most of us have a contour palette. So the palette that I have is the Parkin Princess Tarte palette, and this is a contour palette. I really love this palette. Today I'm gonna be using the color or the shade Angle. We're gonna first start with our forehead shape around our forehead. Okay, just follow the shape of your forehead. Remember, all of us have a different shape of face, but just follow your forehead. After the forehead, we're gonna go around the cheekbones and go down. Okay, try to grab more product than usual because remember, the contour stick, it's more intense. You go around the cheekbones and go down. Go around my cheekbone and go down. Now moving on with the nose, I'm going to contour my nose. I'm going to use the same shade just with a flat brush. Now I'm going to contour my nose. Remember, follow the shape of your nose. Remember, our nose is different, so just follow the shape of your nose. Now for foundation, I'm going to use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation, and this is in the shade Medium 80W. As you guys can see, I use this foundation a lot. A flat brush, I'm just going to apply the foundation on my face like this, and here, a little bit here, here on the forehead. Just gonna add more foundation here on your face. Okay, so now moving on with the concealer. We look kind of weird and crazy, but we're almost there. Now we're gonna move on with concealer. I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade Teen Light. I always use the e.l.f. Camo concealer, but because we're doing this step by step, this concealer dries really quickly on my face. So first I'm gonna apply the Maybelline, then on top the e.l.f. because the Maybelline, it's almost the same shade as the concealer. Concealer underneath my eyes, here, and on the chin. Okay, on with the e.l.f. Camo concealer. This is in the shade Light Sand. So I'm going to put this on top of Maybelline. Of Maybelline, that sounded weird. Just a spot just to brighten up the face. And voila! Okay, so after you have everything on the face, you just need a beauty blender or a sponge, and just start blending the entire makeup that we already applied. Gonna be blending. Okay, I don't know why, but I always do my face while I'm doing but this part of my face, and then I always leave my forehead at the end. I don't know why. Do you guys start with this part of your face or with the forehead? I always leave my under eyes, the last part. Concealer. So have the hydrating one. I think I'm going to try the hydrating just to see, but this one I love it because it's really high coverage and I really need that for my dark circles. So that's it for this hack. It's very simple, and as you guys can see, it doesn't have blush for this hack. I feel like we just did the blush hack. Also, we did the facelift. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link down below. It's a different hack, a different way to apply makeup. This makeup hack is just to push your cheekbones. That is where you really contour your face, as we're doing this step by step. And when you just apply foundation, you blend, you apply contour, you blend, you know, it's just that feeling that just seeing that whole makeup putting on your face, I feel like, oh my god, that's a lot of makeup. I'm gonna do a reel for my Instagram and also for my TikTok just to have fun with this. Maybe you guys like to see this more on reels or on TikTok. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, learned a new tricks on this makeup world. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time.